Good morning, welcome to Guaranty RV here in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Kirk Blair, Captain Kirk, and I'm going to show you this 2020 Bighorn. It's actually a 3300DL. It's going to be a front living. It's a little shorter than some of the other Bighorns we have. It's got a front bedroom, rear lounge type of floor plan, nice big refrigerator. It's got a nice floor plan and layout, good storage all the way around. You got the front bay here for storage. It's got the hydraulic landing gear, which is awesome all the way around. So auto levels, push a button, it'll lift it right off the ground. Good storage all the way around. Big old front bay there. Awning, frameless windows. It's a Heartland product. It's very good. It's been around a long time. Kind of a good tried and true unit. Great for a live-in type. Well, let's go ahead and take a look inside. And as you kind of come in, right to the right is your bedroom bath area. This actually has a really nice shower and vanity sinks here in the master bath, or the bathroom of the unit, if you will. It's got a nice bathroom, good colors, good open floor plan, counter space. Make your way up here to the front bedroom. You got to slide out where the headboard is, so you got actually floor space, closets. This has a washer dryer hookups here with another kind of a closet on this side. If you didn't have a washer dryer, make great storage as well. Has a dresser in it, which is awesome. And then if you come down the stairs, you come to your kitchen area. We have a nice kitchen area, your dining table, recliner couches, and chairs, entertaining area here with a TV, a fireplace, nice kitchen layout, counter space, an island, big fridge, and a convection microwave. This unit has a lot to offer as far as pantry space, lots of storage, all the storage over here as well. But this unit and anything here at Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon, my name is Kirk Blair, Captain Kirk. Please ask for me. My cell phone is 541-601-8742. Looking forward to meeting you and helping you out.